Peppermint, ginger, lemon, the ultimate tea for digestive health and nausea relief. In a world where everyday stress and poor dietary habits frequently disturb our digestive system, natural remedies can be a soothing balm for our bodies. Among the plethora of natural solutions available, a simple herbal concoction, peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea, stands out for its efficacy in soothing digestive disturbances and alleviating nausea. This article delves into the benefits and preparation of this herbal tea, providing a comprehensive guide to harnessing its healing properties. Understanding the power of peppermint, ginger, and lemon. Before we explore the preparation of this healthful tea, it's essential to understand why peppermint, ginger, and lemon are so beneficial for digestive health. Peppermint, a soothing herb. Peppermint isn't just a flavor for candies, it's a medicinal herb known for its soothing properties. It contains menthol, which provides a cooling effect that can help relax the muscles of the stomach. This relaxation can reduce the spasms that cause stomach pain and cramping often associated with digestive disturbances. Additionally, peppermint can help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, including bloating and gas. Ginger, the root of relief. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, primarily for treating various gastrointestinal issues. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and shogaols, have anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. These make ginger an excellent remedy for nausea, including that caused by morning sickness, chemotherapy, and motion sickness. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help manage the inflammation linked with digestive system disorders. Lemon, citrusy cleanse. Lemon adds more than just a zesty flavor to this tea. It brings its own set of digestive health benefits. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon can help detoxify the liver and improve digestion. The acidity of lemon also aids in the breakdown of food, enhancing nutrient absorption. Selecting the best ingredients. To maximize the health benefits of peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea, choosing high-quality, fresh ingredients is crucial. Peppermint. Fresh peppermint leaves are preferable for their potent flavor and oils, but dried peppermint can also be used if fresh isn't available. Ginger. Always opt for fresh ginger root, which contains higher levels of active compounds than dried or powdered forms. Look for smooth, firm roots with a spicy aroma. Lemon. Choose organic lemons if possible, as they are less likely to have pesticide residues. Ensure the lemons are firm and brightly colored, with a rich citrus scent. Step-by-step preparation. Preparing peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea is a simple process that involves a few steps. Washing and preparing ingredients. Rinse fresh peppermint leaves and ginger root under cold water. Thinly slice the ginger root. No need to peel it if it's well washed. Cut the lemon into slices or wedges. Boiling. In a pot, bring water to a boil. Once boiling, add the ginger slices and let them simmer for about 5 minutes to extract their flavors and beneficial compounds. Steeping. Add the peppermint leaves and turn off the heat. Add lemon slices last to avoid overcooking, which can release a bitter flavor. Cover the pot and let the mixture steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your flavor preference. Straining and serving. Strain the tea into a cup or teapot, removing the ginger, lemon, and peppermint leaves. Serve hot or let it cool to serve iced, depending on your preference. Peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea can be consumed daily, especially after meals, to aid digestion or whenever nausea strikes. For those who prefer a sweeter taste, consider adding a teaspoon of honey, which also offers additional antibacterial benefits. If you enjoy a colder beverage, this tea can be refrigerated and served with ice, making it a refreshing drink for hot days. By incorporating this simple yet effective herbal tea into your routine, you can enjoy the soothing and health-promoting benefits that these natural ingredients offer. Whether you're dealing with a temporary upset stomach or ongoing digestive issues, peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea is a delightful remedy that can help restore your digestive health and overall well-being. Enhancing the benefits through lifestyle. Integrating peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea into your lifestyle can be a delightful and healthy routine, but its effectiveness can be further amplified by adopting complementary lifestyle choices. Here are some tips to make the most out of this herbal tea. Optimal consumption times. Morning. Drinking this tea in the morning can help kickstart your digestive system and provide an energizing start with its zesty and refreshing flavors. Post-meal. Consuming a cup after meals can aid in digestion and help prevent the discomfort of indigestion and bloating. Before travel. If you are prone to motion sickness, drinking a cup of this tea before travel can help prevent nausea. Lifestyle adjustments for digestive health. Balanced diet. Incorporate a diet high in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to ensure optimal digestion and to complement the benefits of the tea. Hydration. Keep hydrated with water throughout the day, as proper hydration is essential for digestion and overall health. Regular exercise. Moderate daily exercise can help maintain a healthy digestive system and improve your overall health. Advanced tips for tea preparation. To make your tea-making experience even more beneficial, consider the following advanced tips. Ingredient enhancements. Add a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds a warm, comforting flavor, but also has anti-inflammatory properties that can further soothe the digestive system. Mint varieties. While peppermint is commonly used, experimenting with other varieties like spearmint or apple mint can vary the flavor and offer subtle differences in digestive benefits. Citrus variations. Experiment with other citrus fruits like lime or grapefruit for varying flavors and additional antioxidants. Long-term storage solutions. Making a concentrate. For convenience, you can make a ginger and peppermint concentrate by simmering these in water for longer and storing this concentrate in the refrigerator. Add fresh lemon juice and water when you wish to prepare a cup. Dry your own herbs. If you grow peppermint or ginger at home, consider drying some of your harvest to use in the off-season. Dried herbs can be stored in airtight containers and used throughout the year. Understanding potential side effects. While peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea is safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Peppermint. While generally safe, it can cause heartburn in some people, especially those prone to reflux. Ginger. Large amounts might lead to mild heartburn, diarrhea, or mouth irritation. Lemon. Its acidic nature can erode tooth enamel if consumed in excess. Always rinse your mouth with water after drinking lemon-containing beverages. Peppermint, ginger, and lemon tea offers a trio of benefits that cater to digestive health and general well-being. By understanding the nuances of how these ingredients work and integrating them with a mindful lifestyle, you can enhance their efficacy. This simple herbal remedy is not just a beverage, but a tradition of wellness that nurtures from within, providing a natural way to maintain health and vitality. Remember, while this tea can contribute to health, it should complement a balanced lifestyle for the best results. With that said, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.